Today we're going to take apart this HP laptop. If you look at it, you'll see that it clearly needs a new display. You can see the crack right there. So let's get to work. Step one, if you can see in this view, there's no screws. So I'm going to show you how to do all that. All right. Step one, since there's no screws, you always have to take this part off. So for that, I recommend, all right, let me try to see if I can move this camera closer. What is that? Oh, battery slot. Sometimes you need a good pry tool just to get it up a little bit. Okay. Now, after you pry it, there. Now this is loose. Now from this point you can finish by taking apart this. And that's because you can only take it apart being upside down, with the laptop upside down, because this is what matters. Alright, now that we did that, we will turn off the laptop. Now you can see from here that if you see here, there's no screws under here or here, anywhere here. So you can't take it apart in the normal sense that you used to be able to take them apart. So we know that. We're going to start okay. Alright, so now we have this off. And now you're wondering if there's no screws. You can see some screws, but these are not what's holding the laptop apart. I'm going to show you this nifty little trick right here, and I'm going to even hold it here. So if you see here, let me see if I can zoom in here. So if you see here, this little, alright. So if you look here, you're going to find this little black piton, this little black. So this, what's holding this together and this screen on, is adhesive on this side and adhesive on the other side. The other side also has a little black right here. So I'm going to show you what you do. You grab it and you just keep pulling. This right here, and the entire thing looked like it was covered in adhesive. Alright, so there's the other one. Just to show you, this is it right here. I will zoom back out. Alright, so now what makes this job more difficult, because I'm trying to show you on the camera. There, now it comes out. Now at this point in time, we have this. There we go. Okay. Now, there, it's now on there. We will easily put it back just so we can test it. Ta-da! There, it's all one nice. Okay, well, customer did not put the password down. That's for a whole different video. We're not gonna hack it. We could technically if we wanted to, but as you can see, everything looks good on this side. We're gonna turn it off because we removed all the adhesive. So, double-sided adhesive, it doesn't need to be super fancy. So now we have brand new double-sided adhesive. Now, there. It is now on there, nice and tight. I'm only touching my fingers on it because it's still got this plastic sheathing right here. So my fingers technically aren't touching the screen. So now you know that you've done a good job when you can tilt it on its side and no screen falls out. Alright, so turned on again, but that's fine because it works. Alright, so now this is the fun part that everyone loves. We get to remove. Everyone likes that part. And then, at this point in time, is where there. Now, make sure everything looks good. Beautiful. And as you can see, everything is good. Then you can log in, or at least tell the customer that their stuff is done. Thank you very much. Make sure you like and subscribe. We're gonna start releasing a lot more videos since we do this for a living. We're gonna start releasing more videos on how to do stuff like this.